We'll do a meme video today. I love this. This it appeals to me. This appeases me very much so. Whoever did this deserves a raise. Deserve it. This is so satisfying! What? That's not satisfying. Why would you give me something so clean and so beautiful and pretty and it just heals the soul, and then you throw that at me? When you throw that out the window? I didn't think it would break! Really? Yeah, exactly. I feel like the cat. Oh, no. Perfect landing! What is that? I guess they're not going back there. Dirt? Yep, there it is! You had to have been ready for it, or I guess not. Oh. Okay. Talent right there, baby. Oh. What are we doing? What are you doing? Why are you shoving it through the box? I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. For some reason, this is why I really liked Vines, because the max you can have a Vine was 7 seconds. Just where it just starts and immediately cuts off. I don't know why. That's just very humorous to me. I was not afraid of that chainsaw, by the way. It was a very skinny chainsaw. It didn't have the girth like normal ones, and it was cutting bread. Not a body. Cat. Is there something? Get it. Get it. Get it. Blah, blah, blah. Yep, there it is. At least it didn't go out a window that time. Oh no! Oh no! Those guys just do the same thing. Hi, Raiders! Aww! A little shop cat. Those are the cutest. Alright. Renee Feasted! Is that guy put... Why is that guy so talented? I can barely walk straight. Don't open a can when it's bubbled like that. If you were by an elevator, I have a hiccup. Just kidding. I got stuck, actually. If you were by an elevator, especially when it's open, be careful. Don't twirl around things that you really need, you know, such as your car key or your apartment door key or your house key or your safe key. I don't know, whatever key you got. Don't do that, because bye, it's gone forever. Bye-bye. Especially like the little vent things on the ground. I don't even know what they're really called. The metal grating things. I don't even know. Don't do it around there either. Oh, and if you wear heels, don't step on those. Aw, they're best friends. So cute. I would keep that mouse. Her name is now Larry.
Or being healthy. I need to have like a checklist of things that I do eat every single day. Otherwise, it's inevitable that I end up going, that's what I did last night.
First of all, nice T-pose. Why? Why though? Don't, especially hotels, don't jump on the beds because you don't want to have to pay for that. No. How convenient! Hippie!
Been drinking again.
He's so happy sleeping.
Looks like
Sir, please no, please, sir, no, please. The boat's supposed to go in the water. Not you, silly goose. Well, we don't have Burger King foot lettuce anymore. We got pancake. We got home-style foot pancake now, baby. I'm gonna be buried in the sand. Is this a gender reveal? What is this? Is this Mythbusters or something too? Yippee! Thank you for the follow. What? I want to do that.
Кто это? Кто это? Чего? Ну что? Что? Это мой охранник.
They're fine.
Go for it.
Good try. Yo, not gonna lie, I want a forklift certification just to do that now. That's all I do. I do some donuts in it and be done. That's so weird.
Yeah, girl, get it. This one's not budging.
Oh, my fucking tea is stuck.
Oh, those
I know
physics
y'all
freak
see
me
that,
out. I still have a driving wheel, by the way. I forgot to put it up. It's fine. Peekaboo!
She's fine.
Yeah, she's fine. All right. Yep. Fine on the ground, I suppose. Oh, we have home style foot pancake, and we have home style foot ice. Hey. Catch yourself.
Филя.
Slap the bird. Slap it.
Филя.
Wait.
Он как Гитлер.
Listen to this
Shit
internal
been
voice.
reading since then, boy. I can't even pee, right? Look at this shit.
High five, zone. Yo, that's amazing. Poor guy, though. That had to hurt. My shin.
Where is my super suit?
Is that glass?
My super
That's dumb.
suit.
Get that super suit. That's so good. Oh my gosh.
What do you breathe out?
Carbohydrates.
Oh no! Oh no! What just happened? It's very effective. I mean, that cow knows what's up.
Okay. Firstly, I want to congrat Jennifer.
Jennifer? Catbird is not affected by your water bottle. He's like, please stop. I can barely teach my dog how to shake. How do you do that? Okay, here's the thing. A dog typically doesn't learn these kind of things on its own. Typically. How do you teach a dog to do that? Or do you just pick up a rubber band and just start flinging it at cans with aim? It's aiming! It flips it too! There we go.
All right, NASCAR, are you watching this?
Alright, you NASCAR guy. Yeah!
All right, NASCAR, stop watching.
He's tired. Okay, for some reason, I thought the mouth was open. And it was just going, you know, with the derp eyes going. The reflections are perfect. I'm going to remove my steering wheel since we're not currently driving for a while now. Seal. Why does it look like it's coming through a concrete floor? It's just a sea dog. Happy sea dog. I hate that we're both at an angle. Oh no!
Circumcised my pizza.
Don't circumcise your pizza!
What the fuck?
Don't circumcise the pizza. Oh, I didn't make it!
What?
Don't. My butt. Uh-oh. Uh-oh! The scream! You can't even touch your hands together! Why are you so beefy? What is this? We have like a whole another fist width right here in between your two hands. What happens if he... Well, he doesn't have to worry about the itch on his back anymore, I suppose. Is this a thing? Is this a thing? Is this a thing?
It's circumcised.
Why are people just shoving these in the fridge? Do it all the time. You just, yeah. That thing is not going anywhere. Don't. You shouldn't. We have foreshadowing. Foreshadowing. I don't even know how this happens. Is he gonna throw it on there? Oh, it's gonna throw it on there, or he's gonna throw it on and it's gonna flip forward, I think. It's so aggressive, so fast. But I was wrong. It's too fast, I couldn't focus. Oh, the cat, oh, he's such a big yawn, a big stretch. It's so cute. Good night. I want one. What is this? I don't even know. It's fluffy and it's cute and it has cute yawns and cute big stretches, and now it's mine. And I want it forever and ever and ever. He's lacking. He kept rubber banding. Someone help that man. If you like the content, please drop a like and subscribe. It's free and it helps me out. I'm live most days at 7 p.m. CST. If you want to swing by and say hello.